Allah Azze ve Celle states that He will fulfill your expectations, my friend. In a different verse, where our memories reach their conclusion and our imagination is stretched to its utmost boundaries. Because to the best of our knowledge, we have the ability to think and imagine as far as our current understanding allows us to. These dreams are based on what we know. What else could we not know? The Almighty says we have plenty of that, so much so that it's overflowing. Something that never crossed your mind, something we couldn't even imagine. They say that a blind person like this one could show him the world for 10 seconds, a minute. Of course, he doesn't see anything. He doesn't know. They said, let's take it to the shore of the sea so that it can see the land, the sea, and the sky together for a moment. Let it take the picture from there. The picture will disappear in a minute. This is similar to a story joke. However, here is the important point. At that particular moment, he observed that corner of the ship emerging from the sea, and then the sight vanished once more. Then for the rest of his life, whenever someone mentioned a camera, he would say, "Is it like the corner of a ship about to arrive?" If we put two of them side by side, it becomes three. What you're talking about is like saying something or calling it a building or something. Because there's so much to work with in that image, you can shape it however you want. So based on this analogy, let's say we have a dream thing on top of the foundation of the three-dimensional world around us. We have our own world. That is why the Almighty, even the most exaggerated claims that you requested, come to an end. We have an abundance. There is no boundary to the creation of the Almighty, as it is limitless.